Greetings, I'm Kim Janey, Mayor of Boston. Happy Haitian Heritage Month. This month, we celebrate the rich and cultural and historic contributions of Haiti and its diaspora in the United States. Boston is home to the third largest Haitian community in America. We value our residents of Haitian descent, not just this month, but every month. And we also thank our Haitian first responders and our Haitian essential workers for your tireless efforts. In the words of anti-slavery abolitionist Frederick Douglass, a former U.S. Consul General to Haiti, we should not forget the freedom you and I enjoy today is largely due to the brave stand taken by the Black sons of Haiti. Striking for their freedom, they struck for freedom for every Black man in the world. Piti, piti, na vancé.